Welcome to our channel. If you want to take advantage of new account promotional offers that include extended free trials, follow these step-by-step instructions to access these first-time user benefits. Step 1. Research services you're interested in trying and check their official websites for new user promotions, which often include extended free trial periods not available to existing customers. Step 2. Look for promotional landing pages specifically designed for new customers, often accessible through search ads, social media advertisements, or promotional email campaigns. Step 3. Ensure you're eligible for new account promotions by confirming you haven't previously created an account with that service, as most new user offers are limited to first-time subscribers. Step 4. Clear your browser cookies or use incognito mode when visiting promotional landing pages to ensure you see the full new user offer without any tracking that might reduce the trial period. Step 5. Click Sign Up or Create Account on the promotional page to begin registration. Make sure the extended trial duration is clearly displayed before completing your account creation. Step 6. Create your account using a unique email address that hasn't been associated with that service before. Some services check email addresses against previous trial accounts. Step 7. Provide payment information as required, even though you won't be charged during the extended trial period offered to new accounts. This step is necessary to activate your trial. Step 8. Complete registration and start using the service immediately with your extended trial period. Set a reminder to evaluate the service and decide whether to continue or cancel before the promotional trial expires. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.